好多謝劉教授為我哋即係一個好精彩嘅演講啊！咁我哋嚟緊呢，就第一間同我哋分享呢個空氣環境故事嘅學校呢，就會係大埔嘅恩主教學校。咁佢哋將會咧為我哋講解一下咧，佢哋學校所在地同附近嘅大埔監測站之間呢個空氣質素咧有咩差異嘅？有請大埔恩主教學校。
Professor Lau, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. We are the students from Valtorta College in Taipo. Today, we are going to share our result of this project and compare our results with that collected by Taipo Government Monitoring Station. I'm Selinda.
I'm Gigi.
I'm Thomas. First of all, we will start by introducing our school campus and the environment nearby. We can observe some features from our map and the photos. Our school is located at the Taipo Old Market, which is surrounded by the green area. That's why the environment around our school is picturesque. Let's move forward to talk about the main source of air pollutants around Valtorta College, shall we?
Sure. As you can see, there is a Comfort Road and Tolo Highway next to our school, which have a heavy traffic flow. The high traffic flow would emit a large amount of nitrogen dioxide and suspended particle, and it also favored the formation of O3.
Oh, you just said large amount of air pollutants are emitted from different areas. Is the air pollution serious?
No, I don't think so. Have you ever seen the data we have collected in this half a year?
Not yet.
So let me show you about our result. Let's talk about ozone first. In coastal area, ozone is the main cause of poor air quality in summertime. Ozone is a colorless gas formed through a complex series of photochemical reactions involving sunlight and heat. Warmer temperatures and longer hours of sunlight facilitate its formation. Because of extensive morning and evening commutes, there are heavy traffic flows on the roads, as well as older, higher polluting cars, which would all contribute significantly to ozone pollution.
According to the data we have collected, it is similar to the data collected by the Taipo monitoring station.
But why?
Since ozone is a secondary pollutant, it is formed by a series of photochemical reactions. So no matter where the pollutants are emitted, the ozone are eventually rise to a high level. Thus, the concentration of ozone in the region will be similar, because there is no barrier between the two places. But if you see in Kowloon, there will be a different result, as there is a time motion blocked the pollutant to flow from one place to another place. So you can see the Taipo monitoring station and our school are in the same region, so the concentration of ozone is similar.
Besides, the pollutants in Taipo are mainly from the Taipo industrial estate and the car emissions in Comfort Road. The air pollutants would mix and react in the sky. Then ozone is formed and evenly distributed, so a similar result is drawn.
Is the result of NO2 the same as ozone?
No. Nitrogen dioxide is produced by reacting nitrogen and oxygen at a high temperature. They are reacted at a hot car engines and the chimney. So the nitrogen dioxide that we collected are mainly from the Tolo Highway and the Taipo industrial estate.
According to the data we have collected, it is generally lower than the data that collected by the Taipo monitoring station. If the wind direction is northeast, the air pollutant, which is NO2, will be transferred from the industrial estate to the monitoring station and our school. As you can see, the distance between the industrial estate and these two places are similar. Therefore, the trend of data we collected is similar to that of monitoring station.
So, however, the monitoring station would obtain a higher result than our school since it is lower height. When the NO2 rise, the concentration decrease. So as we see, our school are in a higher position. Therefore, we can collect a relative lower concentration of nitrogen dioxide.
Our school is next to the Taipo railway station, but it won't produce any air pollutants. Also, as you can see, there is not many traffic flow near our school, while the two main roads with heavy traffic flow near the monitoring station. So the pollution from the car engines will be more serious.
Therefore, the concentration of NO2 is lower than that of the monitoring station. That means the air quality of our school is better.
Are you sure? I read the result of the black carbon, and it doesn't seem the air quality at our school is good.
Before making decision, let me tell you the source of carbon first. The black carbon is mainly emitted from the industrial activity and combustion process from the car engine and incinerator. They are solid particles remain suspended in air for a long time. The PM2.5 material is primarily from chemical reaction in atmosphere and through fuel combustion, like motor vehicles, power generation, industrial facilities, and incinerator.
According to the data we have collected, it is generally similar to the data that's collected by the Taipo monitoring station. That means our air quality is not good.
No, it is not a fair comparison. Due to the technical constraint, our school only measured the black carbon by the color intensity. So we cannot test for the suspended particles which are in light color, such as white or yellow particles. So while in the Taipo monitoring station, it is measuring the mass of the suspended particles, where PM2 and PM10 particles can be measured.
As we are not collecting the same variable, we can't directly compare the results, but only the trend, because most of the suspended particles are black carbon.
For the overall data that we have collected is similar to that of the Taipo monitoring station. It means that the method of the measurement is reliable. Through this project, we have learned more about the air pollution in Taipo, and we are lucky to study in a favorable place.
That's the end of our sharing. And thank you for giving us a chance to join this program and sharing the result with you all. Thank you.
接下落嚟咧，請留步，請留步。係啦，接下落嚟咧，我哋會有一個提問時間嘅。咁台上嘅老師同同學咧都可以，或者教授都可以問一問即係同學相關嘅問題嘅。
廣東話都可以。
OK， 我想問你 ozone 個啦，但係你就頭先提咗個大帽山啦，就令到成個大埔即係個谷地咧，就個 ozone 咧喺大埔站同你學校有即係 comparable 可以相比較啦。但係其實喺呢個圖表裏面咧，你都有沙田站嗰個數據嘅喎，係咪啊？而沙田站嗰個數據個 ozone 咧，同你哋而家喺大埔你學校好、政府個站都好咧，都係好相似。你點樣解釋呢一個嘅現象咧？係啦，嗱呢幅圖啱啱嗰幅圖，我覺得你做得好靚啊！就俾我哋好視覺上面睇到咧，係啦呢一幅就好似喺大埔工業村啦，成個大埔個谷地或者個盆地裏面，因為大帽山啦，右邊有個山右邊山仔，左邊大帽山咧就困咗喺度，所以一個大範圍嘅影響。但係對上嗰個 slide 嗰幅圖咧，沙田嗰個站嘅 ozone 咧，其實同你哋好似嘅喎。咁你點樣可以將頭先你嘅解釋延伸到解釋埋點解沙田個站同你度到嗰個嘅趨勢變化又係咁相似咧？
因為咧 ozone 咧 因為沙田咧都係喺俾一個大帽山包圍咗，即係佢哋都係喺呢個圈圈入邊嘅。咁
即係啱啱我哋有提到係大埔同埋沙田之間係冇嗰個 barrier 啦，咁就所以啲空氣去到上面嘅時候就會嗰啲叫 mix 埋一齊，所以兩邊搜集嘅數據可能都係差唔多咁樣。Thank you。
咁好多謝恩主教書院嘅同學同我哋做咗咁精彩嘅分享。